Good morning, friends. I am Rajinder Jatana on this side, coming up with transformation formulae. Now, these formulas have been derived with the formulas we have already derived by making their sum or difference. Now, let's start this. Let us convert or transform sum oblique difference formulae into product formulae. So here is the one. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. And sin A minus B we know is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Now let us make the sum of these. It becomes sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is equal to 2 sin A cos B. This term is cancelled up. So we get this. So you already know that these formulas have been derived from the one and only one formula, that is the Mahaballi formula, which I called Mahaballi because with the help of that we have derived so many formulae in the past. Now we are using those derived formulas to create more formulas. So I have now added sin A plus B with sin A minus B, and I have got 2 sin A cos B. It is the product. So sum has been converted into product. This has been converted into product. Now let us subtract. Sin A plus B, we know sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. And sin A minus B, we know sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Subtract. When we will subtract, this term will be cancelled up and this will be doubled. So sin A plus B minus sin A minus B is 2 cos A sin B. Now let us go further. This is the third transformation. Similarly, we will go ahead with the cos formulae. Cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. And cos A minus B, you already know, it is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. प्लस प्लस में माइनस होता है, माइनस में प्लस होता है. Now let us add them. We'll get another formula. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. This will be cancelled up. So cos A cos B, when added, that will become 2 cos A cos B. Now let us go to the next formula. Now let us subtract these two formulas. Cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. And cos A minus B, you know, it is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. When we will subtract, signs will be changed and now this will be cancelled up. And it will become minus 2 sin A sin B. So cos A plus B minus cos A minus B is minus 2 sin A sin B. This difference has been converted into the product. Here the sum has been converted into the product. Now let us go further. CD formulae. देखिए जितने भी फार्मूले हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं या तो वो ए बी हैं या फिर सी डी हैं. बच्चों का खेल ए बी सी डी. अब देखिए ये फार्मूले हम ऑलरेडी ड्राइव कर चुके हैं. अब इन्हीं को हम सी डी फार्मूले बनाने जा रहे हैं. नो पुट ए प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू सी, A minus B equal to D. Let us find A and B from these two equations. A comes when you add, it will be C plus D divided by 2. B will come C minus D by 2. Now we will be substituting A plus B, A minus B, A and B in this family. A plus B is C. A minus B is D. A is C plus D by 2. B is C minus D by 2. So, this is formula of sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is equal to 2 sin A cos B has been converted in terms of C and D. And the formula has become sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C by 2. हमने ये वाला याद रखना है. sin A plus B plus sin minus B is 2 sin A cos B. So A की जगह आपने A plus B की जगह C लगा देना है, A minus B की जगह D लगा देना है, A की जगह पे C plus D by 2 लगाना है और B की जगह पे C minus D by 2 लगाना है. तो ये 4 फार्मूले बन गए. देखिए ये 4 फार्मूले थे, ये अब CD में कन्वर्ट हो गए हैं. A plus B की जगह मैंने C लगाया है, A minus B की जगह D लगाया है. Here also A plus B की जगह C लगाया, A minus B की जगह D लगाया, A plus B की जगह C लगाया, A minus B की जगह D लगाया. A की जगह देखिए ये सारे A हैं. A की जगह पे C plus D by 2. These are all B. This is C minus D by 2. So same old wine in new bottle. वही पुराने फार्मूले हैं, उनको हमने नया नाम दे दिया and the name is CD family. So these are very, very useful when we will be applying them in the question part. Now let us go further. Now, product family. Sin A plus B we know, sin A minus B we know, we'll make the product and we'll create another formula. And similarly, cos A plus B we know, cos A minus B we know, we will create it another formula. Now, sin A plus B into sin A minus B. This is sin A plus B, which I called the Mahaballi formula. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. सारे अच्छे, कुछ बुरे, कुछ अच्छे, सारे बुरे. That I told you. Sin A minus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Let us make the product of these. And when we will make the product of this, what we'll get, this is x plus y, this is x minus y. It will become x square minus y square. So, when we will solve this, we will get sin square A minus sin square B. And when sin is converted into cos, so sin square A is 1 minus cos square A, and this sin square B is 1 minus cos square B. The formula becomes cos square B minus cos square A. Now, what we have seen here, when we make the product of these two formulae, we get either sin square A minus sin square B, or we get cos square B minus cos square A. Now, similarly, we'll make the product of cos A plus B and cos A minus B. When we make the product of this, look here, cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. When we make the product, it will become x minus y into x plus y shape. So x square minus y square shape. So on solving, we get cos square A minus sin square B. And here we will get this cos square can be written as in terms of sin. So it will become cos square B minus sin square A. So this is the difference between the two. Now, what you have observed that so far we have derived the formulas from the Mahaballi formula Number one, sin A plus B, we know it is the formula, Mahaballi formula, and when we have created sin A minus B. Same way we have created cos A plus B, cos A minus B, tan A plus B, tan A minus B. Then 2A formulas, sin 2A, cos 2A, tangent 2A. Similarly, 3A formulas, sin 3A, cos 3A, tan 3A. Now, with the help of these formulas, we have transformed them into product formulae. Thank you very much for viewing my videos. And I'm sure after having understood these formulas, you will be able to cope up with trigonometry with quite ease and shall come out with flying colors in your exams. I wish you all the best, and I request you to please share this among your friends so that they are also benefited. And if you like my videos, please do subscribe. I will feel motivated. Thank you. God bless you. Keep on watching my videos.